Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Friday, June 11th, 1999, 8 am. On the spiritual level, you have every reason to rejoice. We are very satisfied. Don't be affected by those who leave the mission for futile reasons. They can't stand groups. Do they stand themselves? They remain focused on useless quarrels. There is discord in any human group, including spiritual ones. These beings are fragile. They do not have the strength to go beyond the schoolyard squabbles. The moment has not come for them. They are not ready as yet to advance in spite of everything. Perhaps this will inure them to this kind of confrontation which is necessary to any evolution. Humans are like that. They are compelled by their gregarious instinct to live in society. They cannot be fulfilled otherwise. They fear loneliness on the one hand, and on the other hand, they cannot stand one another as individuals. What contradictions! Never mind all these aspects of the human personality that cannot be changed. Those who are ready do not dwell on what they consider as mere adventures. They regret certain behaviors and they carry on their way. Can't one endure some small conveniences to focus on the main thing? Accept this unpleasant way of reacting of some of your brothers. See their good sides as well as your strong and very fraternal contacts with them in certain circumstances. Each one express one day or the other one's negative sides, which must die down if not disappear. The cleaning work carried out in the mission also serves that purpose to make you let go and get rid of all hindrances to your advancement. That is expressed in various ways, often by uncontrolled reactions. Advance without taking any notice of the others. Look ahead of you without being affected by the petty aspects of life that are of no importance. Settle your own accounts. There is a lot to do. Keep heart, Babuji. Friday, June 11th, 1999, 10 am. Be happy, my child. That you have reached this point fills us with joy. Anything will be possibly, anything we will possibly tell you on this issue seems unreal to you. You react under such circumstances as if it concerned someone else. You are a phenomena. The medium says, I do my best to please you. That's all that matters. I am the poor Abhyasi, isolated in her tower, and whom you cast your eyes on. What else can be asked for? We do not regret it. It is a good investment. There are others among our associates in whom such investments are to be made. Currently, in your times, the key words are capital, interest, balance sheets, etc. Why wouldn't we also a specific vocabulary? Our business is of great importance and will not collapse after the fall of the dollar, the euro, and the other currencies. Our multinationals are firmly established. We don't worry for the future, unlike big businessmen of the world who can be ruined overnight. This happens now. It has occurred in a tragic way in the past and will recur. All values will be thoroughly reviewed. It will be necessary to set out again on new basis with new circumstances, but that does not concern us here and now. Men will have to adapt themselves. Therefore, harden yourself to face up to any eventualities. Make your spiritual values bear fruit. Nobody will be able to take them away. No stock market crash will destabilize you on this point. Your capital is unassailable. Cherish it. It is your most precious good, Babuji.